Welcome everyone. Today we are going to discuss about multiplication of polynomial. In previous session we have discussed about the algebraic expression, degree, terms, coefficient of polynomials and the single term monomials, binomial, trinomial and the addition and subtraction of polynomials. So in this session we will discuss about the multiplication of polynomials. Multiplication of polynomial means monomials by monomials, monomials by binomials. What is the monomial? If expression having single term is known as monomials. Binomial means a expression having two terms, two different terms, two unlike term is called binomials. So monomials by monomials, monomials by binomials, binomial by binomial, binomial by trinomial, we can say monomial by trinomial, trinomial by trinomial. So here are the multiplication of polynomial. So let's start with an example. So example से start करते हैं. First topic is monomial by monomial. Let's see, if we want to multiply 3x multiply minus 5. Here are the two expressions. First one is 3x and the second one is minus 5y. First one is algebraic expression. In these two expression variable is present. So we can say these two are algebraic expression, these two are polynomial and having a single term. So these are both monomials. So firstly monomial multiply with monomial. How we will do? Firstly multiply sign, plus multiply minus, here we get the sign of minus. Then numerical digit multiply with numerical digit. 3 multiply with 5, 15 and x multiply y, because x and y are unlike term. So x multiply y is the xy. So if we multiply 3x multiply with minus 5y, we get minus 15xy. Let's solve with another example. 3x square multiply with 7xy. 3x square multiply with 7xy. These both are algebraic expression. Both are monomials because both are single terms. So multiplication of monomials with monomials, how we will do? Sign plus multiply plus. Here we get the sign of plus. 3 multiply 7, 21. X square multiply with x. So we can say this is the power of 1. Base are same. Power will be add. X power 3 and the y along with that. So if we multiply 3x square with 7xy, then we get 21x cube y. This is the final answer. After that, monomial multiply with binomial. Monomial multiply with binomial. Let's take an example. 5x multiply with 2x minus 3y. Monomial, 5x is a monomial and 2x minus 3y is a binomial because it's have two unlike term, so it is a binomial. So if we multiply monomial by binomial, then firstly see procedure. Firstly multiply 5x with first number, first term, then multiply monomial with second term. These are two terms, first term and second term. So firstly 5x multiply with 2x and plus multiply minus, we get the sign of minus, and 5x multiply with 3y. Here we can say 5x multiply with both terms. Firstly 5x multiply with 2x, then 5x multiply with 3y. Here we can say here is the sign of plus and the 3y is the minus. We can use by both method. So these are the monomial multiply monomial that we have discussed earlier. 5 multiply 2, 10. X multiply x. We know that x multiply x is equal to x square. How? Because x power 1 is x power 1. Base are same. In power and exponent chapter we have discussed if both base are same, and in the multiplication then power will be add. So 1 plus 1 x power 2. So x multiply x, we get x square, plus multiply minus, we get the sign of minus. 5 3s are 15, and x multiply y, we get x y. These are the basic question. Let's solve with another example. Minus 3y 7x square minus 9x. How we will do that? Monomial multiply with binomial. So what is the procedure to do this? Firstly, monomial multiply with both terms. So firstly, minus 3y in the bracket multiply with 7x square, then sign of plus minus 3y multiply with minus 9x. टर्म का जो साइन है वो आप ब्रैकेट के अंदर रखो, बीच में आप प्लस का साइन लगा दो, कभी भी माइनस प्लस की गलती नहीं होगी, मिस्टेक नहीं। माइनस मल्टीप्लाई प्लस माइनस, 3 7 जा 21, y मल्टीप्लाई x स्क्वायर, वी कैन राइट y x स्क्वायर, और वी कैन से x स्क्वायर y, these are same, y x square and x square y are same. Minus multiply minus, here we get the sign of plus. 3 multiply 9 27, and y multiply x, we can write xy or yx, both are same. So these are the two examples of monomial multiply with binomial. Let's solve binomial multiply with binomial in which two expression and having two different like term. Let's see, y plus 2 multiply with y plus 9. These are two different terms, so this is a binomial. These are two different terms, so this is a binomial. So here the example of binomial multiply with binomial. How we will do? Let's see firstly carefully. Firstly, first term of first binomial, y multiply with complete bracket. Y multiply with complete bracket and the sign of plus, the sign of second digit with proper sign. Here is the plus 2, write in bracket plus 2, then multiply with complete bracket. So this is the previous we have discussed monomial multiply binomial, monomial multiply binomial. So y multiply y, after that y multiply with 9, then 2 multiply with y, and 2 multiply with 9. So we get y multiply y is the y square, y multiply 9 we get 9y, 2 multiply y we get 2y, and 2 multiply 9 we get 18. So after that we will solve y square. 9y and 2y are like term, because in these two terms the variable is exactly same, so we can add these two terms, 9 plus 2 11y plus 18. After that we are not adding, because in this expression the each term is different, each term is unlike term, so we are not able to add this algebraic expression. This is the final answer. Let's solve with y plus 2, repeat करें, y plus 2 multiply with y plus 9. Firstly, first term multiply with complete bracket, then second term multiply with complete bracket. After that monomial multiply binomial, monomial multiply binomial. After that do calculation and we will get final answer. Let's solve with another example in which we will discuss binomial multiply with trinomial. So C part of exercise 6.2, question number 1. C part is a plus 3b, that is a binomial because in which both terms are unlike term, different term. 3ab plus 9b square. How we do these sum? Binomial multiply with trinomial. First term of binomial, first term of algebraic expression multiply with complete bracket. Here the sign of first bracket, first term is plus a, multiply with complete bracket. A square minus 3ab plus 9b square. Then sign of plus, Write second term with proper sign in bracket. Second term with proper sign. Here the sign of 3b is plus. So write 3b and multiply with second complete bracket. A square minus 3ab plus 9b square. Then multiply with trinomial. How do a multiply with these three terms? A multiply a square plus a multiply with minus 3ab, because the second term has minus sign, so write minus 3ab in a bracket, and a multiply with 9b square plus then 3b multiply with a square, then 3b multiply with minus 3ab, so write in bracket plus 3b multiply with minus 3ab plus 3b multiply with 9b square. 3b multiply with 9b square. If the a multiply with each term, firstly a multiply with a square, then a multiply with 3ab, then a multiply with 9b square. Then 3b multiply with each term, 3b multiply with a square, 3b multiply with minus 3ab, and 3b multiply with 9b square. After that, these are monomial multiply with monomial. These are two monomials. So that we have discussed, a multiply a square, we get a cube by the law of power and exponent. A multiply 3ab plus multiply minus, we get the sign of minus. A cube minus a3, a multiply a square, and b is along with that plus 9ab square, then 3 ba square, 3 3 is 9 plus multiply minus 9 a b multiply b square, 3 9 is 27 b cube. We can say 3a square b and 3a square b, plus sign minus sign, complete same, and these two terms are same and with a different sign, so we cancel out these two terms. 9ab square, the sign of plus, 9ab square with the sign of minus. So these two terms are exactly same with a different sign, plus and minus. So we cancel out, and the remaining answer is a cube plus 27b cube. That is the final answer. If there is any doubt, then you can discuss with me. First part, that is homework for yourself. Do yourself. Thank you so much.